Today, we're going to be exploring a trading platform that is currently offering very good offers for beginners as well as experts. I'm not going to keep you waiting. Let's get into the explanation of this platform. This platform is known as OK Trading. It is a platform that helps users to make trades as well as assist them with other tools for trading. When you want to register on the platform, this is what you are going to see. So you can make use of your Telegram account, your WhatsApp account, or your email address. If you use your email address, a code will be sent to you. So you enter that code, then you put your password. For promotion, you want to use the code you can see on the screen. Then you log in into your account. So we're going to look at a walkthrough of the account itself. So you can either use your Telegram account, your WhatsApp account, or your email address to register on OK Trading. When you log into the application, this is what the interface looks like. So at the beginning, we have where you see me scrolling, we have the news section. So this is where you are going to see everything that has to do with the app. So for instance, you can see compliance milestones, then there's also team commissions. So whether your team members win or you lose, you can see that. So this um section is for news, everything news that has to do with the platform. So let's go down. Please like this video before we go on. The next place, you can see calculator, you can see invite, you can see copy trading, and you can see simulation. Then when you scroll, you can see a section for your team. Then you see beginner task. We're going to get back to that. Then you can also see top trades. You can see gaming, Ethereum 10, and sports. When you scroll, you can see market data. So it's showing you BTC, Ethereum, USDT. Now when you scroll down, you can see this icon that looks like two people. So we're just going to click on that. So in this the application, what we have here is where invite friends, your team. So it shows the different levels of commissions. Now they give a detailed explanation of what type of commissions. So you can see it, you can pause and you can read. So basically they give users of this platform an opportunity to increase earnings. So and they have reward system based on 3 tier referral commission and agent salary. So you can earn income just by inviting other users apart from trading on the platform. So the first level is 1%, second level 0.5, third level 0.3. That is what is on this side. Then we have this other icon here that is like a box. We're just going to click on it to see what is here. So on this icon, you have a full breakdown of all the news, everything that is going on, major compliance milestone, OK trading, partner rewards, zero, news, right? So let's move on from there. Let's come to this place. Now this is where you have where you can deposit, where you can withdraw. You have deposit withdrawal records, asset details, profit and loss reports, language settings. So if you don't speak English, you can choose whatever language. So I speak English, so we'll just go back. Then you have pricing settings. So pricing settings, you choose the country's pricing you want to see. So let's put this, I live in Nigeria, let's put it Nigerian currency, right? Then you have account binding. So let's click on account binding. So you put your email, okay, you enter your email, Then you also enter your USDT TRC20 address. This is where your money will be coming to if you want to use cryptocurrency. Now, if you don't want to use cryptocurrency, you have the option to use your bank, right? You have the option to use your bank. So you put your bank, okay, and your email code. So that's for the account binding, okay, so that any transaction you do, it will go to your account. So how do you deposit? Let's take a look at that. So if you want to deposit, you come to this point where they say deposit. You click on deposit. So you can either use cryptocurrency or legal tender. So you put the deposit. The minimum deposit is 30 TRX. Then you can use bank too. So let's say you want to do naira, you can do 5,000, 10,000 naira, 20,000 naira, 50,000 naira, 100,000 naira, depending on what you want to do, then you submit. It's very simple. Let's just do 5,000, which is about 3 USDT. You click on submit. So it brings out a name, the account you should pay into, so you transfer. Okay, so let's click on this point. This is where you have the charts, right? You can see different things are going on here. Ethereum price, type countdown. You can see all that is going on here. If you come to the calculator, it helps you to calculate what is expected. Now, please note that there are no guarantees. These are just estimates. So yes, but it just gives you an idea, right? So let's say you want to know how much if you trade 10,000 naira. So you calculate. So if it is Ethereum, this is what profits you're likely to get. Like I said, there are no guarantees, right? So trade amount, net profit, second phase, net profit. So you see, this is what the calculator does. Okay, it's estimated. One thing you need to know about trading is that the profits you get from trading is depending on different factors. That's why I keep repeating that these are estimates. So it depends on the market, what's going on in the market, your risk management, So I cannot tell you that this is the definite, this is just an estimate. Let me repeat it again. This is just an estimate. Let's move on. If you click on the invite button, you can see. So let's say for instance you have a community, you have other people who are also interested in trading. You can send them your details, right? Your link. If you have, send them your link and they would sign up with you or under you. So look at the link under OK Trading. So you send it to your people. So the commission rate level 1, I think they showed this somewhere else on the app, 1%. So if you trade 10,000 USD, you get 100 USD as commission. Level 2, 10,000 USDT, you get 50 USDT. Please, if you are not an experienced trader, don't use all your rent or important money. Always trade with money you can afford to lose. Okay, and this is not an investment advice, this is for educational purpose. this comes to the copy trading. Copy trading refers to, if you don't know how to trade, you look at what experienced traders are doing and you follow what they are doing. So these are different leaders: Mark, Jim, Kevin. So you follow their trade, follow what they are doing, and that's basically what copy trading is about, right? So you just do what they are doing. This is a simulation that copies, like, just showing you the trades that are currently happening. For the actual trading, if you want to trade, so you come to top trade. So on the platform you have BTC, you have games, you have Ethereum, you have sports. Let's say you want to trade Ethereum, so you come here and you look at what is going on the screen, right? So you make your trade. Now there's also BTC. You can see the market, what's going on in the market. So you trade. Remember, if you don't know how to do this, I would just suggest you use the copy trading feature and just follow what the experts are doing. And yeah, so would you be downloading or would you be registering on the OK Trading platform? Let me know in the comment section. If you want to download the app instead of coming online, you can register online using the um, link in bio and in description box. Come to out that the app download, so you can see the APK here, official website, or you scan to get the APK. Alright, let me know in the comment section if this video was insightful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.